I guess students who watched this just the prior video where I explained to you the two concepts, how to deal with n of x upon n dx upon d, or integration of numerator upon the denominator dx, where numerator has higher degree than the denominator. And then we also saw how to do making the perfect square, making that perfect square in the denominator, and then how to do that integration. And now in this video we just finished the concept in the previous video, so we can do now not many uh, practice sums. Okay, so let's do concentrate on the practice. Okay, so now there would be a different format, like this x square would be in the beginning, x square in the middle, x square in the end. So don't worry, don't try to get into that normal format. You can keep doing the way it is given. Many teachers advise them, first of all, take that x square and then do that x and then take that negative sign here and there. But I will never, I don't recommend that. You can try doing that well. So it's nothing like it. Now, how to do this? Look at this. Now, one is a constant over here. अब हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर माइनस साइन को कॉमन ले रहे हैं, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स डी एक्स. आई होप यू स्टूडेंट अंडरस्टूड दिस. Okay. Now what will happen? This will become integration of 1 minus, I'm leaving the space something over here. Okay, this is happening everything in the denominator. Now what is happening over here? Look at this. I'm leaving some space and I am doing this x square minus x. I'll have to add something to make this perfect square. Now what I have to add over here, I have to add something like half of the coefficient of x. That is इनका half क्या बन जाएगा, इसका coefficient है 1 -1, उसका half 1/2 and उसका square वो add करना पड़ेगा, isn't it? And if I have added over here, I'll have to subtract over here. So 1 upon you can do 4 और 1 upon 2 square भी लिख सकते हैं, है ना? And यहाँ पर plus sign डाल देंगे. I hope you got this. Now this is like the normal thing. Let's see how to deal with this, okay, or how to go ahead about this sum. So 1 upon, ये क्या बनेगा, 1 minus 1 upon 4. 1 minus 1 upon 4 बनता है 3/4, isn't it? 4 ones are 4 plus, okay, 4 ones are 4 minus 1, 3 upon 4. तो ये बन जाएगा 3 upon 4 minus, और ये बन जाएगा किसका स्क्वायर है ये? This will become x minus 1/2 the whole square. Why this is x minus 2 1 by square? Look at this. What is x minus 1/2 the whole square? X minus 1/2 the whole square will become x square minus the product of this 2 into x into 1/2. Isn't it? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will become negative x, which is over here, plus 1/2 square, which will become 1/4, isn't it? Which is over here. So I hope you understood this from where I have got this to here, how I have come. And what is the process? Just take the coefficient of x, do half of it, and make the square of it. Step 1, take coefficient of x. Step 2, make half. Step 3, do square. And step 4, add and subtract. You understood? Okay. Choose coefficient of x. Of x. Step 2, make half. Okay. Step 1 का half कर दो. Then do square. जो भी अपने half के उसका square करो. And then add and subtract कीजिए. Add किसके साथ करना है? ये वाले term के साथ. और subtract किसके साथ करना है? ये constant के साथ. I hope you understood. These 4 steps you will remember. This type of the sums will be in your pocket. Isn't it very, very simple, guys? Okay, very simple. I know some people are telling, so you're going very slow. Guys, ये मैं slow इसके लिए जा रहा हूँ because you all should understand how to do this type of sums. Okay, now look at this. If you want to do little fast, you can, once you understand the concept, you can go as much of, like, you can go very fast as you can, or as much you'll understand. So this will become root 3 upon 2 the whole square. This will become root 3 का square होता है 3 and 2 का square होता है 4. You understood, right? Do very carefully everything. And ये है x minus half का square. So you can write x minus half the whole square. Now this is which format? Which format of integration? This is which format? Integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. Now what is the formula for that? 1 upon integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. Do you remember? One second. So this is in this format. Integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. This is a, this is a, and this is x, isn't it? Now we'll have to just plug the values. What will happen? 1 upon 2a, 2 into root 3 upon 2. You understood what is this a? Root 3 upon 2. Now many people, what they do, they don't understand is they'll just take 3 upon 4 and then the sum goes wrong. Are you understanding? So take very good care of all the signs and the numbers and the symbols, guys. 1 upon 2a log of mod of a plus x. Now a plus x मतलब ये root 3 upon 2 plus 2x minus 1 upon 2. Okay, now you must be wondering, yeah, I किधर से? I just took the LCM 2x minus 1 upon 2. Same thing, a minus, देखो a minus x. So a root 3 upon 2 minus 2x minus 1 upon 2 plus c. And now you can further simplify this, guys. How to do that simplification? I'll just choose another color. So 1 upon root 3 बाकी बचा हुआ है यहाँ पर log of mod of, देखो यहाँ पर दोनों जगह पे डिनोमिनेटर 2 है तो can we can cancel that. So it will become 2x plus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3 minus 1, and the denominator it will become 2x. Oh, that's negative 2x. Okay. So, okay. I'll just rewrite this numerator once again. Okay, once again. I'll just delete this part. There's nothing wrong in that as such, but you can write the normal part also. Root 3 plus 2x minus 1, and in the denominator क्या लिखेंगे? Root 3 minus, now be careful, there is minus sign, so minus 2x, and minus into minus will become plus 1 plus c. Please take care of good care of your signs. Okay, did you understand? This is it. That's it. I hope you understood this sum perfectly, isn't it? You can copy paste this sum immediately, guys. So let's move ahead with the next question. Okay, some people are asking, zoom it out. So this is the entire sum on your screen. You can copy paste also. Okay, guys. If you've not understood something, you can surely ask me anytime in the doubt section. Okay, students, so we'll move ahead and we will do one another sum. Uh, Here we will use substitution, guys. Well, what is to be substituted over here? E power x is can be substituted as t, okay? Or you can substitute as x, or you can substitute as p. Don't substitute it as x because there is already x utilized somewhere, isn't it? So e power x may already x is, so don't, I mean, avoid using x. I would recommend that. So how this new thing will turn out as, okay, now if we'll do the derivatives on both sides, it will become e power x dx as dt. Right? So look at this numerator, e power x dx can be written as simply dt, and the denominator will become e power 2x. E power 2x will become t square. Now if you do t square, it will become, यहाँ पर दोनों साइड में square कर देते हैं, it will become e power 2x. I hope you understood this. Why t square plus 6t, e power x का मतलब t plus 5. Isn't it very, very simple? Now this is integration of dt upon t square plus 6t plus 5. I hope you understood this. And now, student, this is which format? This is we just learned about, isn't it? Making the perfect square or completion of perfect square is process को बोलते हैं completion of perfect square. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, one moment. So how to do this, guys? We'll make this dt, and the denominator में क्या लिखेंगे? Look at this, t square as it is. ये जो 6t है, that's a middle term. So what we'll have to do? We'll have to add and subtract. Now what we have to add and subtract? Think little bit. The coefficient of t is 6. Do half. 6 half is 3. 3 square. That will become 9. So once add it and second time subtract it. It does not make any difference, isn't it? Plus 5. I hope you got it. What is to be done? Now student, this is a perfect square and this we'll have to write in the format of perfect square. Now how to do that, we'll see the next step. So what will happen now over here? The integration will become integration of dt upon this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square of what? This is a perfect square of, since this is plus over here, this is a perfect square of t plus this square root 3 whole square. I hope you understood it. This is a perfect square of what? This is a perfect square of t plus 3 the whole square minus ये क्या है minus 9 plus 5. It's minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. And now minus 4, so minus को थोड़ा सा बाजू में कर देते हैं. 4 is a perfect square of what? 2. So minus 2 square. I hope you understood. Now again, this is in which format? This is in which format, student? This is in the format of integration of, I'm just writing the format, so I'll just change the color. Integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx, isn't it? So what is the formula? I hope by now you've learned it. So this is basically x and this is basically a, isn't it? So what is the formula? 1 upon 2a. So 2 into 2 log of mod of x minus a, that is t plus 3, t plus 3. Okay. In the numerator it will be minus a and in the denominator it will be plus a. So t plus 3 plus a plus c. I hope you understood. What is the formula that I have done? 1 upon 2a log of mod of x minus a upon x plus a. When it is x, so x minus a. And when it is a minus x, numerator will become a plus x and a minus x, isn't it? We know very well. Students, remember that be careful with your sum, guys. Do not take any step lightly. 2 into 2, it will become 4. Log of t. Can we replace it right now only? No, we'll do the next step. T plus 1. T plus 1. In the denominator, t plus 5. T plus 5. One can do over here in one step also and can complete the sum, but I will be little careful. So what is to be done now over here? We need to replace e power x in place of t. So what is this? 1 upon 4 log of t can be written as e power x plus 1 and e power x plus 5. And that's it, plus c. I hope students you understood this sum perfectly, isn't it? That's all, guys. That's all. So simple sum, isn't it? I hope you're enjoying and you're watching it very carefully all the sums. And please, students, make sure that you copy paste. Otherwise, what will happen? You will very shortly you will forget all the sums. So I want you all to copy paste in your notes so that things are ready. Whenever your exams are there, you can refer them, isn't it? So pause the video here and copy paste it. Okay, now student, look at this. We'll just go ahead with the sum number 5. It is very interesting and very important type of sum also, guys. Look at this. It is not every time it will be only in the format of, in the denominator root and the perfect square. There would be something else also added with that sums. Now, what is this over here? Look at this. In sum number 5, you'll understand what I'm trying to explain to you. I is equal to, integration of 2x plus 1 hai. But now if we take the derivative of the denominator, it will become 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 chahiye, isn't it? But we have in the numerator 2x plus 1. So what I can do, I can add over here 1. So it will become 2x plus 2. And I can, since I have added 1, I'll have to subtract 1. Did you understand? And then we can separate the numerator. What will happen? Integration of 2x plus 2 upon this whole denominator dx minus 1 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. I hope you understood this step. And now this is f dash of x upon root of f of x. So what formula? Yes, very good, very good. You can take it out like simply 2 root of x square plus 2x plus 3 minus, and now this you can do like basically completing this perfect square. Log of basically 1 upon 2 taken out common, log of mod of 1 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2. And once you simplify this, you're going to simply going to get this as an answer. Okay, I hope you understood this sum. Please copy paste it in the book quickly. Okay, let's see this sum, guys. This will be the last sum of this particular video. But so very important. You can put 4 star for this 4 star for this question, because these type of questions I have seen several times in many board papers or the school papers or the college paper, guys. Okay, so now how to do these type of sums? Look at this. Now we have already learned this in just last 1 or 2 videos. So यहाँ पर हम लोग ये वाला लिखते हैं, numerator is equal to what are you going to write? Uh, a into the denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Okay, so how to do that? So you can simply write, okay, now यहाँ पर do not take the root sign, otherwise things will become little complicated. Okay, so a into क्या बनेगा यहाँ पर x square plus 3x plus 2, and b into what is the derivative of the denominator? It will become 2x plus 3. Now, some other way we'll have to figure it out. What are the coefficient of x and what are the coefficient of b? What is this a and what is b? And if you could fix that up, the numerator will be able to write very simply and normally, and then we're going to get the answers. Okay, let's see how to do that. One moment, guys. So there is one small mistake I did over here. Did you notice? See, यहाँ पर a root format है. When it is a root format, this formula won't work. If it wouldn't have been root, then this formula would work. Now, what is to be done? I'll just change small changes over here. So, one second, I'll just cut it and I'll cut this also. Since it is in the root format, since it is in the root, uh, we, we will keep something like this way: a into derivative of the denominator's derivatives plus b. Okay, this is the standard format. Okay, guys, this is the standard format. So a into what is the derivative of the denominator? Derivative of the denominator. One second. So this format you have to remember whenever it's in the numerator. Okay, I'm so sorry. So whenever it's in the numerator, you'll have to remember. Whenever there is a denominator in the root, you'll have to use this formula. Numerator can be written as a into derivative of denominator plus b. Okay, I hope you'll remember this. So numerator x plus 1 can be written as a into what is the derivative of this denominator? Derivative of this denominator becomes 2x plus 3 plus b. I hope you understood now. And now what will happen? Now what will happen, guys? So numerator x plus 1 can be written as 2x a plus, this will become 3a plus b. 3a plus b. Now we'll have to compare the coefficients. See, look at this. This is x coefficient. What is this x coefficient over here? X coefficient over here is 1 is equal to what is the x coefficient over here? 2a. I hope you understood. So what is the value of a? Value of a is 1 by 2. And what is this 1? Okay, I'm choosing another ink so that you'll understand. What is this constant over here? 1, which is equal to, please listen very carefully. Do you remember that e power x sum? Makes me go mad. What is this? I hope you understand this. So this constant we are comparing with this 3a plus b, isn't it? Now we've got the value of a. Value of a is half. So we'll just plug the value of a over here as a half. Okay. So where do I go? So 1 is equal to 3 into half. So that will become 3 by 2 plus b. Right. So what is 1 minus 3 by 2? It will become negative half. 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2 will become b. So we got a as half. So we got a as half and b as negative half. So how our numerator will become? Numerator x plus 1 can be written as a, that is half into 2x plus 3 plus b. B is negative half. So okay, so I'll just write a negative half. You understood? So this is the numerator. Just underline this part, okay? So that we can copy paste it little later. I hope you remember this yesterday's work, isn't it? Now, what is the integration? Integration is basically I can be written as integration of numerator, that is x plus 1. So numerator, can I copy paste this? Yes, I can copy paste these as it is. Numerator, copy and paste. That is a numerator. And what is the denominator, guys? The denominator is this only, root of, one second, root of x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. Student, did you understood till here everything from where I'm getting what? Look, I'll just take a recap. Some students are saying, so please explain once again. Numerator. Numerator is what? Numerator is, since it is in the denominator root, I'm using this formula. Numerator is equal to a into the derivative of the denominator plus b. So numerator is x plus 1 can be written as a into derivative of the denominator plus b. When we compare the coefficient, we got this as a coefficient of x, which we compared right now. And then another format is in blue ink, that is a constant with the constant. Okay. Those, when we compare that box with box, we got a is equal to half, and box with, like, the constant with the constant, we got b as half, isn't it? B as negative half. And once we're done with that, we substitute it in that numerator. So the numerator is a into the 2x plus 3. So half into 2x minus 2x plus 3 minus b. So also we copy pasted in the integration that as it is. Okay, now our integration is ready. So I'm just solving it further. Now, how to do this integration part? It's very simple, guys. We'll have to first of all do separations of the numerator. So this will become integration of half of 2x plus 3 whole thing upon root of x square plus 3x plus 2 dx minus half of integration of 1 upon root of x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. And now it is very simple, isn't it, guys? This is half of, what is this? F dash of x upon root of f of x. What is f dash of x upon root of f of x? It is 2 times root of denominator, x square plus 3x plus 2 plus c. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it is left with only this much, x square plus 3x plus 2. I'm not writing purposely c because there is one another c. So this will become negative half. And this is in the format of completion of this perfect square. Isn't it? Completion of perfect square kaise karte hai? Again, that is in the root format, isn't it? That is also in the root format. I hope you understood this perfectly, isn't it? Yeah, okay. One moment, I'll explain to you. Guys, I guess we'll have to wind up over here. I'll just paste the solution of this particular sum so that you can get this. It is very simple, guys. This is a perfect square of root format, and then you can just do half of log of this part. Okay, I'll just copy paste it. Okay, so I'll just paste this part and then we are done. So we can just copy paste it over here like this and we are done, isn't it? So simple, guys, so simple.
show me once you're done. We can
I
see
hope you
practice.
enjoyed and
Okay.
you understood this
Okay.
entire
But
sum,
in the
guys,
new
isn't it?
in the
So see you in
starting
the
only
next
you put
video
today's
with
date.
many more
That's
sums
it.
based on this. And the
Okay.
last